Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as of right now guys, you can see that first of all, congrats again if you took this trade that I called out right now down here at about $24,900. And as always guys, it's never wrong to take any profits. As you can see here, we went up and reached almost the actually we exceeded the price target of this breakout pattern of this pennant, because the breakout target was $28,000 and we actually exceeded it actually also a little bit. So congrats if you took some profits. Never wrong to take any profits. Okay, so let me show you guys. As of right now, as you can see here, we are forming this bullish pattern here because it is a descending channel, and a descending channel is more likely to break out to the upside. Okay, and as you can see here right now, we are on the hourly time frame, and as you can see here, this candle is already attempting to break out of this descending channel. Okay, so if you're still in a long trade, you can entertain the idea to increase the size of your trade. Yeah, and if you're standing on the sideline, if you don't have any trade right now, you can simply wait if this will be a confirmed breakout. Okay, and then you can enter a long trade, because as you can see here, we have some support at the $27,500 price level, and then down here at this price level 26.8k, and then of course we have this huge support line down here. So you could potentially put a stop loss below those two lines. Okay, and the price target, I mean, as you can see here, there is not much resistance going on. Here is the next resistance level at 29.5k. Okay, that's what's going on with Bitcoin. Let me show you Ethereum. Ethereum, as you can see here, we have the same situation. We are trading in this descending channel, which is right now trying to break out. Okay, and as you can see here, potentially, I mean, this line here acts as support. This support has been going on since a long time. Okay, we broke down here, so it acted as resistance, but now we are back above it. Okay, potentially, I mean, this is not a beautiful M pattern, but it could be some kind of M pattern. It looks like this. Not the most beautiful, but just that you get the idea. If you would break down the breakout target of the M pattern, I mean, it's a bearish pattern. Let's say we would break it, then we would actually go down exactly until this support line at $1,642. But this is, so to say, the bearish scenario. But usually if Bitcoin goes up, all the other coins follow Bitcoin, as you know. So same situation as with Bitcoin. I mean, if you took some profits up here, great. If you're standing on a sideline and you're waiting for a trade, we have to wait. Will we get a confirmed breakout here about at this price level out of this channel, or will we go lower to retest this line? And then if you are down here, we can of course see what does the market tell us, what does, for example, the RSI tell us, and then enter a long trade or a short trade if you would break this. Okay, as of right now guys, stay on the sidelines if you're not in a trade. Let's see if this will be a confirmed breakout, guys. Okay, and as always, if you want to trade, you will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links down in the description. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.